Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's up? August 21 to 27, your overall energy for this week. You have the Six of Pentacles. Maaring you are going to help other people pag-share ng resources mo. Pwedeng may pahihiraming kang gamit, meron kang magpapahiram ka ng gamit. Or magpapahiram ka ng pera. Or maaring ikaw yung manghihiram ng gamit, hihiram ng pera. And some of you are also going to balance your finances. Maaring ito na rin yung time na marirealize mo na meron kang kailangang ayusin sa cash flow mo. So, this is your challenge. Knight of Cups. Expression ng feelings. Hindi makapag-express ng feelings. So, maaring ikaw hindi ka makapag-express ng feelings mo towards someone, or there is someone in your life na hindi makapag-express ng feelings niya towards you. This is your opportunity. The Empress. So, as an opportunity, this is about creativity. You have the opportunity to create something. Gumawa ng bagay, lumikha ng bagay na you have never tried before. O yung iba na, maari ring buntis, mabubuntis, magkakaanak. Makakabuntis. Just take what resonates. But this is also about focusing on yourself, loving yourself, taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. And then your blessing, what is the blessing? You have the Knight of Pentacles. You know, pagdating sa finances ninyo, tuloy-tuloy naman yung pasok ng kaperahan, no? Hindi lang siya ganun ka-overwhelming. Kumbaga, kung ano yung kailangan mo, andun. And if you are starting a business or meron kang negosyo ngayon or trabaho, career, ano lang siya, steady lang siya. Let's see, what is the Six of Pentacles? Six of Pentacles. You have the Page of Cups. I think this is related to your creativity, Pisces. Maaring yung iba sa inyo meron kayong gustong gawin using your talents and skills and abilities. And nangangailangan kayo ng funds, no, to make it happen. So, pwedeng funds, pwedeng resources. So, you have the opportunity to use that or ask help from others. Kasi meron namang willing na tumulong sa inyo. As long as, meron kayong pagpapakumbaba na humingi rin ng tulong. Kasi minsan yung iba, kahit alam na nila na kailangan na nilang humingi ng tulong, hindi sila nahingi ng tulong. Out of pride. Okay, what is the Knight of Cups? Knight of Swords. Meron ditong gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Kaya lang it seems na hindi ka nagiging open sa tao na to. Parang may umiiwas ka sa communication, umiiwas ka sa interaction. What is the Empress? Ace of Cups. A new source of happiness. Ay, yung iba sa inyo, ano, kung kayo ay nagbabalak talaga na magkaanak, may good news. It's going to be positive. And some of you naman, yung inyong mga nasimulang trabaho, career, merong good news na parating. Nakikiligin kayo. So, ang kilig naman, di lang yun sa relationship eh. Diba? May nagpadala sa'yo ng, pera. Kikiligin ka, diba? You have the Death card, Rebirth. I feel like there is a redirection for you. Something that you need to explore pa. Some of you are going to get out of your comfort zone. Like, meron kayong i-explore. Related to sa career. Oo, yung iba sa inyo. You feel like you need to make some changes in your career. Milk and honey. Wow, this is blessing coming in. So whatever you are focusing on right now, meron ditong satisfaction, fulfillment, and blessings. You have a change in the wind. Yes, yung iba may pagbabago kayo ng ng plano sa buhay. Yan ba, ang plano nyo, gusto nyo mag-abroad, tapos meron kayong nakitang idea na, uy, maganda pala, pwedeng subukan ko muna to. Ganon. Bago ako mag-abroad. Subukan ko muna tong negosyo na to. Subukan ko muna tong business na to. You have Jupiter in Aquarius in the 11th house. Ooh. Jupiter in Aquarius. Ano to eh? A lot of new ideas. Marami ka ngayong bagong ideas na magaganda yung niya eh, yung konsepto na pwede mo talaga tong i-explore. Oo, I think lang, nag-aalala ka lang kung kaya mo tong i-sustain. Oo. You have Venus in Capricorn in the 10th house. Venus in Cap. 10th house is your career, your public life. I think you are really establishing a stable career. Oo. Stable career to. Lalo na kung hindi ka ngayon masaya sa current job mo. It seems na you are going to make a major change. May major shift. And gusto mo na kung saan merong stability. If you feel like yung career mo ngayon, business, ay walang stability, hahanap ka ng bago. Yung iba sa inyo, this is your divine calling. Merong, related to sa destiny ninyo. Your true destiny unfolds as you experience your ideas and inspiration. See? The things around your career are aligning towards your divine calling. Merong divine calling for you, Pisces. Kung ano yung situation nyo ngayon na parang feeling nyo there's something missing, hindi kayo ganun ka-fulfilled, then yan na yung sign na to try new things. Yeah, you have the King of Wands. You have the Queen of Pentacles and Justice card. Major decision to for you na you are going to take a leap of faith or maglalakas loob ka na explore pa yung potentials mo sa career mo, sa business mo, ano pa yung pwede mong baguhin. Especially related to your creativity. And some of you are being called to share your talents, no? Or your gifts, yung mga gift sa'yo ng universe, like a special talent. Yung iba pwedeng related rin to sa spirituality. But for some of you, this is about being more creative. So sa love naman, you have friends to support you. Maaring sa ngayon, you just want to continue having new friends or pagpapalawak ng connections mo. Yes. Then, Two of Pentacles, you have, the Three of Swords and the Hermit. Okay, yung iba, maaring you are going to disconnect from people or friends na alam mong hindi na sila in alignment to your plans. Oo, ganun naman eh. Sabi nga, friends come and go. Hindi sa lahat ng panahon ay kasama natin yung mga taong nagiging kaibigan natin. May mga friends for a season. Yan. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, you will cut off connections sa kanila. Treat your body like the palace it is. Yes. There's a lot of confidence sa inyo. Mas i-accept nyo yung sarili nyo. Mas mamahalin nyo yung sarili nyo. Like what I mentioned kanina, this is about you taking care of yourself and taking care of your needs. Na you don't care about what other people thinks about you. Ang importante, masaya ka sa sarili mo. At inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.